How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to improve your posture in only 3 minutes. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So first exercise we're going to do is very, very simple. All we're going to do is we're going to practice raising our chest. Now, a lot of people with poor posture, their shoulders round. So instead, this is what happens. Their shoulders are rounded. Watch what happens to my shoulders when I raise my chest. By raising my chest, you are instantly put in a perfect posture position. So if your shoulders are rounded, you want to practice raising your chest like this. So very, very simple to do. We're going to do 10 sets. 10 reps. 1, 2, come down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Quick little break. Another great way of getting good posture is squeezing your upper back. Watch what happens when I squeeze my upper back together. Again, it puts me in a perfect posture position. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do reverse flies. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna get your hands like this, and you're gonna go like this. And when you get to this position, you're gonna squeeze your upper back. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. So we're gonna take a quick little break, and then we're gonna go back to the chest raises. Now you can make a little workout out of this. You can do three sets of each if you want to. So we're gonna start here again, shoulders rounded, then 1, come down, 2, come down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I used to do these exercises too, you guys, because my posture wasn't that good, and now my posture is perfect. I do have good posture, you guys, and it's just from doing simple exercises like these. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.